for Mother's Day, I'm going to give you lots of hugs and kisses. And I'm going to give you a part of bunch of flowers that you like red, blue, well, purple, red, blue, and all the colors in a rainbow.
Really? Wow.
And I'm
I look
going to
forward
make it
to
a
that.
form of a rainbow.
Well, I really look forward to that.
And I'm going to give you a chocolate heart that's big as the flower pot.
Awesome.
Me too!
Cool.
And I'm going to make it a rainbow. Also.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. We are in Target. Got my hair done. And we are picking out costumes for the kids.
Can you help me?
That looks pretty, Yuri.
Yeah,
Are you sure that's what you want to be?
Yeah.
Yuri says she wants to be a snow queen.
Yeah.
That's what this is. I don't even know if that's your size, baby. It's a medium. You probably need a small if they have one.
Wow, that's way too big.
They have a lot of cute costumes here.
Yeah. This one's too big.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, there's an elf.
Bud Paw Patrol.
That looks so cute. Look at.
Marshall.
Does it come with a sword? There's Marshall.
Up here. This one's Marshall.
Doesn't come with a sword.
That one is Chase.
Shield. Yeah, shield.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't come with a sword or shield. Oh, that Paw Patrol up there.
I feel like maybe this one doesn't have as much as the one by Ben's work. We might have to go buy the one by Daddy's work to get your size.
Okay.
Are you sure that's what you want, though? If you want to be Moana.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to be Moana.
They have Superman.
Huh? Brother, look it comes with the shield.
Mm-hmm. Do you see Spider-Man, Yuri? That's what he said he wanted to be.
Spider-Man?
Yeah, let's keep looking.
Harry Potter? It's a helmet over there.
Okay, now we're at Walmart because the prices at Target were kind of ridiculous. Everything was like $30. It was like, Yuri, we really need to go find something a little cheaper.
Oh no.
Doc McStuffins, it's cute.
Yeah, but I'm looking for the Moana.
Yeah, let's look for Moana.
But if they have Snow Queen and they don't have Moana, that's
Hey, look.
okay.
That's like the dress you have, Yuri.
Oh yeah! It comes with the cape.
So did yours.
The cape over here.
I know, yours did too.
This
Just a wee bit more unorganized. You guys excited that you got your costumes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Show them what you got.
Moana. I got a
So
Spider-Man.
cool. And together they are actually $30 instead of individually $30. So that's an added bonus.
I really hope it.
Wow, that looks good, Yuri.
I'm sure it's small because it looks
Thanks,
kind of small on me, right, Mom?
No, it looks actually a little loose on you, but I think that's just because you're...
It says a small.
I know.
Comma from the -6 comma.
It's a size small. You're just a little petite, that's all.
I wanted it like up here.
Well, maybe we can fix that. Maybe I can fix that for you, okay?
Okay.
It looks so pretty on you, though. You're super cute. That was it for this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you guys are new for more future videos. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!